Presence is not just about what you say. It's about what your body communicates before you even speak. Within seconds, people read your posture, your eye contact, and your movements. And small body language mistakes can quietly destroy the way others perceive you. Today, we'll break down 7 body language mistakes that weaken your presence, often without you realizing it. First, avoiding eye contact. Eye contact is one of the strongest signals of confidence. When someone constantly looks away while speaking, it communicates uncertainty. It suggests discomfort. Confident individuals maintain calm, natural eye contact. Not aggressive staring, but steady attention. Because when you look people in the eye, you signal presence and certainty. Second, slouched posture. Your posture silently communicates how you see yourself. A slouched posture signals low energy and low confidence. Even if your words are strong, poor posture weakens your message. People with strong presence naturally stand upright, shoulders relaxed, head level, because posture influences perception, both yours and others. Third, fidgeting. Small nervous movements send powerful signals. Constantly touching your face, adjusting your clothes, tapping your fingers. These behaviors suggest internal tension. Calm individuals move less. They are deliberate with their gestures. Stillness communicates control, and control commands attention. Fourth, speaking too fast. Speed reveals emotional state. When someone speaks too quickly, it often signals anxiety. It suggests the person is trying to rush through the moment. But people with strong presence speak slowly and clearly. They allow pauses, because calm pacing signals confidence, and confidence attracts attention. Fifth, weak handshakes. The first few seconds of a meeting matter. A weak handshake communicates hesitation, but a confident handshake is firm and controlled, not aggressive, not limp, just steady. This small gesture shapes the first impression people form about you. Sixth, closed body language. Crossed arms, turned shoulders, avoiding engagement. These signals communicate defensiveness, even when it's unintentional. Open body language signals comfort and authority. People naturally trust those who appear relaxed and open. Seventh, overreacting physically. Some people exaggerate their reactions. Large gestures, dramatic movements, visible frustration. These behaviors reduce perceived emotional control. But individuals with strong presence remain composed. Their movements are calm, controlled, intentional, because emotional control always strengthens authority. Presence is not created by loud words or aggressive behavior. It is built through subtle signals: your posture, your eye contact, your movements, your composure. Avoid these 7 body language mistakes, and people will begin to perceive you differently. Because the man who controls his body language controls the message he sends to the world.